I'm going to show you the 1000X electric range cooker, ESSE's most versatile range cooker. We've got double the hob space, 3-zone induction, the large cast iron hot plate with simmer surround. And then we've got independent controls. You can set any zone at any temperature. We've got the main 42-litre oven with a full width grill, a second oven that goes up to 220 degrees, and then we've got the warming oven slow cooker over this side. And it comes in a choice of 6 colours. So here we've got black. It also comes in white, orange, sage, cream, or shadow blue. It's electric. It runs off 2 13-amp sockets and delivers full performance. 3 kilowatts of power is prioritised and directed to exactly where it's needed. This gives you much faster heat-up times, and this is unique. ESSE range cookers feature patented baking ovens with the 6-sided wraparound element. This gives you a more even, more consistent oven temperature. This is a gentler warmth, and it cooks in the moisture and cooks in the flavour. It gives you more succulent food. Use it from the eco setting. The oven features timer presets, so you can have different zones coming on at different temperatures at the time you choose to suit your lifestyle. Ambient warmth into the room and better cooking performance. It'll keep your kitchen cosy. It's as efficient as any electric heater, with ambient heat radiating from the cast iron. We cooked a 3-course meal and it used a total of around 51 pence. Find out more, visit our website, esse.com.